So the folks over at UNNI sent me this cool little indoor-outdoor weather station. It is a thermometer as well as a hydrometer. So we're going to be able to know our relative humidity, upcoming weather, as well as temperature. Now, the beautiful thing about this is if you have allergies, that humidity is going to be huge for the inside as well as your outside for mold and dust mites. It's a two-part system which can link up to 3 sensors altogether. But in this package, we're going to get the weather station itself, the digital readout, as well as the sensor. Now, the sensors require 2 AA batteries here. And the weather station itself is going to require 3 AAA batteries. You'll be able to hang it on a wall, or you have a nice little kick leg here that you can pull out and just sit it on a table. With this setup, we're going to have this sensor outside, and this has its own set of sensors for the inside. And that's how we're going to get the different temperature readings. Now, I just had this outside for a minute, and you can see it's reading at 82 degrees outside, 61%. My weather is partly cloudy and sunny, so we're good there. But it also read my mold index, which is low. That's good for allergies. Now, this sensor, while it's on the inside, big difference, 77 degrees Fahrenheit inside and at 50% humidity as of now. When placing the unit, the sensor outside, you want to stick it someplace where it's covered. Don't put it in direct sunlight or in the direct path of, say, inclement weather, heavy rains, things like that. This thing is not 100% waterproof. The other thing is you want to make sure it's vertical and not horizontal. Don't lay it down on a table. You got to stand it up. Now, as far as range is concerned, they say it'll transmit up to about 320 feet. But that's if it's a direct path. No glass, no concrete, no electrical near these units. So keep that in mind. You might have to move this closer to the sensors in order to get a consistent read. You'll know if it's reading if the RF there is completely stable. When it's flashing, that means it's struggling to get the signal or it's receiving the signal. Overall, I think this is a pretty good unit. Look, you're going to get your outdoor temperature, indoor temperature, understanding your humidity inside if you've got allergies, knowing all these important factors to help make plans for your day.